Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So today we are going to do a What I Eat Wednesday because I love food, I love talking about food, and I love eating food. So I figured I would share that with y'all. Okay, look. The grays are real right now, and my husband is like, you should totally just keep it like that and let it grow out even after we're done with the quarantine. My hair's falling out. And I'm seriously considering it because keeping up with getting your hair colored every 6 or 8 weeks is just insane. So I might be rocking the grays, okay? Today, like I said, I'm going to share with you my food, and also we have an Amazon Fresh delivery being delivered tonight, so it's kind of just a small little grocery haul, so I might share that with y'all also. And that's about it. That's what today's video is going to be about. How are you guys getting your groceries? Because it is, what is today? May the 4th. It is May the 4th, and I have been to the grocery store one time since March 13th. Just one time. I was super overwhelmed with it, and so we've just been ordering Amazon Fresh. The only thing with Amazon Fresh is sometimes you have to wait like 2 or 3 days for a delivery window to open up, so that kind of stinks. But anyways, let me know in the comments how you've been getting your groceries lately because I'm super interested. What we're going to start with today is my workout. I'm going to show you my workout, and then I'll show you all of my food for the day, and I'll share the little grocery haul. All right, here we go. Okay, today's workout is going to start out with some Olympic lifting. We're going to do some tall cleans. We're going to do some clean pulls plus a clean, 7 sets of 2. And then a 3-minute AMRAP, which means as many rounds as possible or as many reps as possible. And it's just one movement today. It's squat clean singles. So the goal is to get at least 20 reps. And then the actual workout of the day, which is what WOD stands for, is, oh my gosh, 30 rounds for time, which is a lot of rounds. Each round is 3 burpees and 1 lungster. So one of these is a reverse lunge left, a reverse lunge right into a thruster with the 55-pound barbell. So we're trying to get 30 rounds in 15 to 22 minutes. So I think I'll show y'all a clip of what one round looks like because this is gonna be intense. So wish me luck with that. And actually, I'm starting my day. I've already had like 36 ounces of water, but I've already started drinking this Amino Energy electrolyte drink. I think it has 100 milligrams of caffeine in it, but I really like these. They taste like Starburst, which makes me smile. So cheers, let's get started on this workout. Isn't my shirt perfect for today's What I Eat in a Day? Okay, it says eat cake, get buff. Yes. Okay, so I was gonna show you what a lungster is. I don't know if it's a lungster or a lungster, but here we go. You're just gonna clean the bar up and do a lunge on each side and then go into a thruster. Remember, I'm doing 30 rounds of these, so you do 3 burpees and then do this. Everybody knows what a burpee looks like, so I'm not going to demo that because I'm about to do, like 90 of them? Okay, here we go. And that's one rep. Here we go. Okay, so here is the deal with protein pancakes. I don't like protein pancakes just like on their own. So what I do is I take half a serving of the protein pancake mix and then half a serving of like a regular pancake mix and mix the two. So it's not as much protein, but you're getting some, you know what I'm saying? I just don't like the way straight up protein pancakes taste. So that's what I do. And this is nice because these two mixes, both you only need water. You only have to add water. So it's super easy. I seriously have protein pancakes like 6 days a week for breakfast. And breakfast is served. I'm having 3 pancakes. I top it with Purely Elizabeth peanut butter chocolate granola because I like the crunch of granola. And here's Brad's if you're interested. Some oatmeal, some porridge as we like to call it, right?
Porridge.
So yummy.
Goldilocks better stay away.
Do y'all think I like my breakfast? This is what it looks like every single day. Actually, a lot of times I lick the plate. Not really, kinda. So I'm about to make my lunch. I chopped up a little bit of a red onion, and I always have potatoes prepped. So I'm gonna have potatoes, onion. Look how many green beans I have. I do not have very many fresh green beans. I'm just gonna cook up the rest of those. And then I'm going to have some of these organic chickpea puffs. These are so delicious. I usually saute these onions up on the stovetop and then put these potatoes in the air fryer with the green beans for 10 minutes. Like I said, these are already prepped, like I boiled them, but I like to pop them in the air fryer with the green beans while I'm sauteing my onions. This is my secret ingredient for the sauteed onions. They are so good with this on it. Oh my gosh, life-changing, y'all. So then I take them out of the air fryer and I usually like smash up the potatoes with a fork. I like my onions super like sauteed and done and almost black actually. You can see them in there. Anyway, and I add it to the pan with the onions, and then I use this butter spray and put a few sprays on there. And then I use, this is my favorite seasoning. It is the salt, pepper, garlic. So good. And it has like obviously salt, pepper, and garlic and a couple of other things. I'm not stingy with the seasoning either. And here is the finished product. Green beans, potatoes, and these potatoes are so good. And then I'm having some strawberry watermelon lemonade. Yummy. For my snack this afternoon, I'm going to have these mini rice cakes, and I topped them with peanut butter. You see that? That's mini Reese's in the peanut butter. This is my favorite brand of peanut butter. It's the All-American butter. My favorite one that they have is called Monster Cookie peanut butter, but I love this one too, Butter My Cup. It has, like I said, mini Reese's pieces in it. And this peanut butter has a little bit more protein than like typical peanut butter, so that's why I love it. And I'm having it with a glass of unsweet tea. Okay, so we got some Lunchables. We got some mashed potatoes, some ham. Brad loves these core power drinks. Some grapes, some chicken, some flavored. This is like water enhancer. I love this stuff. Cookies, lemon strawberries. Oh my gosh, I needed some allergy medicine. I have a lot going on in the background. Bananas, apples, asparagus, green beans. I'm so glad I got more green beans. Got some graham crackers, some apple juice, some oats. Never tried these, but I'm interested. Some chips, toilet paper, milk chocolate pretzels, and gluten-free pretzels. All the potatoes, rice cakes. Got some raisin bread, some refried beans, some Prego taco shells, and that's it. These just came in our Amazon Fresh order, and I just ate one, and they are delicious. They're so good. I have tacos for dinner like probably 5 nights a week, and it's super simple. I don't eat meat, so it's just a corn tortilla with homemade refried beans that I meal prep, and then I top it with this Taco Bell hot sauce and everything with the bagel. Oh my gosh, I love tacos. And look at how perfect these shells are cooked. Yes, get in. Now it's all ugly. It was so pretty before. Anyway, get in my belly. I cannot wait to eat. It looks delicious. And tacos aren't just for Tuesdays, okay? If you've never made cookies in the air fryer, I highly recommend. They poof up real big, but the middle is still like super moist and gooey on the inside. It's perfect. You should try it. I mean, honestly, look at that. Oh my gosh, so good. So I am having 2 cookies for dessert. These are gluten-free and dairy-free. They are the Immaculate brand. I'll put that in the description box because they are the best cookies. Even if you're not gluten-free or dairy-free, trust me, they're so good. And I'll put them, Watson wants some. I put them in the air fryer for 9 minutes on 400 degrees, and they come out perfect. I know I just showed y'all, but I mean, seriously, look at this. And yes, I'm using a Santa Claus plate because it's just the perfect size for 2 cookies, and I love Santa, I love Jesus. Oh, those look so good. You've got to try them in the air fryer. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this all too well. But every night, I get my bowl of chocolate out, and I pick like a fun-sized nightly dose of chocolate. There's so many options, okay? Ooh, these are so good. If y'all haven't tried the white chocolate Reese's cups, they're delicious. Tonight, I've been kind of craving a Butterfinger, so I'm gonna have a fun-sized Butterfinger. That's gonna end my night of food. I don't know, I just love chocolate at night, okay? I have a piece of chocolate every single night. Even if I just ate chocolate chip cookies, even if I just ate dessert, that's all right. I just like to have a little bit of chocolate, okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me on this What I Eat in a Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.